Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Hakuba Silver. Starting our journey from the front, where we will find the Pixel LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, offering a sharper view of the world ahead with increased road presence. Cascading down the side, the luxurious and sporty dynamics are continued as it sits proudly on a set of 21-inch Satin Dark Grey Alloys. To the rear, you'll notice the rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space. Looking to our left, you'll see easy to access controls for electronic air suspension and your electrically deployable tow bar, which I'm sure is going to intrigue those caravan or equestrian enthusiasts out there. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the quality and comfort of their Ebony perforated Windsor leather seats, and glimpsing into the cockpit reveal your 20-weight heated front seats with driver memory and rear power recline, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a closer look now at the view that greets the driver, you'll see your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of features at your disposal, such as your lane keep assist and your adaptive cruise control. In front of you, you'll see your fully digital display, which can harbour key information such as your speed and sat nav. Advancing over to your PIVI Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid and your rear camera. You'll also be able to access your electrically deployable tow bar from within your entertainment screen, as well as heated seat functions and further climate control systems, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences. Finalising our journey, we look up to see your fully sliding panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching.